Today we are covering CRT 450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 1 PD1 Questions and Answers. If you like this content, please like and subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. The questions are: which statement results in an Apex compiler error? The options are, and the correct answer is option D. Our next question is: what are two benefits of the Lightning Component Framework? Choose two. Option A: it simplifies complexity when building pages but not applications. Option B: it provides an event driven architecture for better decoupling between components. Option C: it promotes faster development using out of box components that are suitable for desktop and mobile devices. Option D: it allows faster PDF generation with Lightning components. The correct answer is option B and C. Next question is: a method is passed a list of generic S objects as a parameter. What should the developer do to determine which object type, account, lead, or contact, for example, to cast each S object? Option A: use the first three characters of the S object ID to determine the S object type. Option B: use the getSObjectType method on each generic S object to retrieve the S object token. Option C: use the getSObjectName method on the S object class to get the S object name. Option D: use a try-catch construct to cast the S object into one of the three S object types. Correct answer is option B. Next question is: what should a developer use to implement an automatic approval process submission for cases? An assignment rule. Option B: scheduled Apex. Option C: process builder. Option D: a workflow rule. Correct answer is C. Next question is: when viewing a quote, the sales representative wants to easily see how many discounted items are included in the quote line items. What should a developer do to meet this requirement? Option A: create a trigger on the quote object that queries the quantity field on discounted quote line items. Option B: create a workflow rule on the quote line item object that updates a field on the parent quote when the item is discounted. Option C: create a roll-up summary field on the quote object that performs a sum on the quote line item quantity field filtered for only discounted quote line items. Option D: create a formula field on the quote object that perform a sum on the quote line item quantity field filtered for only discounted quote line items. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: a developer wants to get access to the standard price book in the org while writing a test class that covers an opportunity line item trigger. Which method allows access to the price book? Option A: use test.getStandardPriceBookID to get the standard price book ID. Option B: use @istest see all data equals to true and delete the existing standard price book. Option C: use test.loadData and a static resource to load a standard price book. Option D: use @test visible to allow the test method to see the standard price book. Correct answer is A.